What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Even Mass Joe. Oh, you do, sir? Me there, you know, here campaign, but still I give God thanks. So everything. How will you say to me? You mean to tell me, say, tatty little girl? So who get her pregnant? What you say to me? Master Joe big boy. Then that the boy then ain't gone with on farm work. Oh, I mean come back. Bearing as how me no see me in a long time. Then that the little girl a young girl though, you know. And he me heavily in a church. Then where go happen now? Oh, so the mother send her gone a town. You know want nobody in the district fi know say little girl pregnant. But when the darkness have to come to light, you know. What you a say? So hold on. So them are two first cousin. Mighty God of Daniel. How will you a say to me? Lord, what a piece of thing in this little district, yeah? Anyways. Me go galang in here to go put on 2 pieces of food for boil. Alright. Have a good evening there, sir. Me see your church Sunday, God's willing. The king galang about him business. He always know everybody business and film business. They are spoil.